Welcome, in front of me is a OnePlus Pad, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So, to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so as you can see it's already open and visible for me. So from there, once your content is open and visible, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. So let me just do this kind of reach around. You'll have the sound along with a pop-up right here with scroll and share options. Now the scroll option was grayed out because there is nothing really to scroll down here. This technically wasn't considered scrolling down, FYI. But if you were... Nope. Never mind, that would also not work. Even though you can scroll down in here, it needs to be on a full page. So something like a website would function, or something like this, I believe, would also work for scrollable screenshot. Yep. Though it did scroll down to the bottom, but you did see how that works. Anyway, once you have captured your screenshots, you can navigate to your Photos application, and you can see your screenshots either in the Photos tab right here as the newest one, assuming you have just captured it, or you can locate them quicker later on by navigating into your album and selecting the screenshot album, and here you'll find all the screenshots that I have captured over the time. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.